Welcome back to another video. Came to the waterfall. Let me change the camera around. It's so much messier than before, like when I seen it. I came over here before with my mom and my dad, and now it's so messy. There's a pop tire over there. I don't know what happened, but someone's tire popped. As you see, waterfall. Can't really see it because all of this freaking grass and tree branches. But that is the main one, I believe. It's nothing like the San Antonio waterfalls, but it's a little knockoff version.
Guys, I've never been here.
I've seen more waterfalls down the street, down that way. We're gonna go that way in a bit, but this is one of the waterfalls, and it looks like people fish here. Before we came, someone pulled up, and I guess they're drinking because they threw their trash on the floor. Yep, they're drinking all right, but like, it's crazy how they just threw the trash, and they saw me right behind them. But that's how people are. But they were fishing right here. I don't think they caught anything. Beer bottles everywhere. But we're gonna go down the street. We're gonna see if we can see another waterfall. Oh look, an ATV. Someone's riding a little, I think it's a go-kart. I'm not too sure. I wouldn't mind coming out here on a four-wheeler.
Babe, are we gonna go see the other one?
Yeah, we're gonna go to the other ones. This one, I don't know why, but come on, let's go this way. Before it wasn't like this, and I believe this was the main one that we came to.
Is this no water? More grass?
None of this grass was here. I don't think it was.
Hey, what if it was a different one? What if these different ones don't have that much grass? Maybe someone was smoking.
Yeah, it smelled like marijuana when we came. Looks nice though. It would be nicer if we could see it.
Is there two of them like side by side?
It looks like it, right? Coming down from right here. But it's not really a waterfall. It's probably like bricks, rocks, and the water's going over it. Because that's really what a waterfall is, I think.
What if that's the whole entire waterfall is just covered by freaking grass?
Probably is. Could be. This road goes up. That goes to another place. But that road over there, that does not go to the waterfalls. When we go that way, up that road, it leads us to some waterfalls. So we're gonna go that way right now. Go see if we could find another better spot. But we'll go check it out. Guys, right in the ATV. That's pretty cool. We're gonna take a picture right here because this is like the best, kind of the best one that you can see the waterfall. Hopefully the other waterfalls that we come up to, we can get a good picture. But we're gonna go up the hill that way to see if we could find better views of the waterfalls. Look at this tire. Bro, what happened here? Damn. would not want that. Someone had a bad day. People come out here and shoot guns, look. Little shotgun shell. There's a lot of them actually. It's stuck real easily there. It's the bridge. Looks like some fruits are growing on that tree. Something red. This is the bridge.
The freaking messed up road.
Oh. On the picture we saw an alligator, so hopefully we don't see no alligators. Look how wide that is. Can? Kinda.
You should take a picture, put your phone right there.
Alright, we're going to the next waterfall. There's 2 other ones, so I'm gonna keep looking around.
Hopefully the camera does not fall.
I don't think it'll fall. As long as we don't fall in no big hole. We got cars coming up around us. I ain't going in that mud trail. Hell nah. Buddy, you could go around me. Hopefully we find a better spot. But I believe that's the main one. It's just all the grass grew over it.
Time flies.
Yeah. But again, what do you expect? Because there's water and it's growing with the water, I guess, in the sun. Big hole.
The big rock.
Damn. Straight booby traps out here. Damn, son. Oh, there's something dead in the floor. I'm not showing that. Ooh, it's a dead cat. Disgusting. Poor cat. Didn't make it. I think it's this way. Hold on, I'm gonna pause the video real quick. Alright, we're gonna take a left right here. Now again, we're just looking for waterfalls. We're not looking for any trouble.
Oh, it stinks.
Oh, it does stink.
Babe, did you fart?
No. Oh, and that car came behind me too. I wonder why. I'm looking for waterfalls, buddy. Trash out here, but as long as we're not on the field, I don't think they will mind us being around.
They're already growing things. Babe, look, they're already growing things.
Yeah, they are. Yeah, that car passed me.
Guys, they're already growing plants. Look at the plants. That's so cool.
Looks like a trail that someone goes down with their car. But I ain't going down there.
Oh, hell no.
I kind of don't even want to walk down there. Heck no. Let me see. Looks like there's a house right there. Some kind of structure. Oh, it's like a fridge actually. I'm telling you, people just throw all their trash out here. Nah, let's not go down here. Again, we do not want to get bit by a snake or anything like that. We're gonna keep on driving to see if we find another better spot. There's so many plants. Oh, I think they start from right here. Don't want to mess with their plants. That's insane. That's a lot of plant.
Looks so green.
That's a lot of crops. Wonder what it is. We would never know. I thought someone was talking, but it was you.
You think that?
Leave it in the comments what y'all think this is. Alright, we're gonna keep on going that way. Cause the waterfalls, there's two more going that way. We'll see if we can find it and see if we get a good view. Look, I think that's that road right there.
This one?
I'm gonna keep going. I'm not gonna turn in there.
I thought it's right here.
There's a grass grew over all of this. This is the trail, I bet. Let's go look at it. I'm just gonna look at it real quick. Yeah, there's a waterfall down there. Man, all of this grass is bothering it. If y'all see back there, there's water dropping. Oh, you can't really see it. That sucks. Hopefully if we keep going straight, because there's another little dirt road that leads you to the waterfall. There's 3 waterfalls out here, so we're gonna at least try to find a good picture on one of them at least. This is one of the trails, but I'm not going in there. Let's pull up right here. Let's walk down there. Come on. You wanna hold the camera?
Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Just like this.
I hate freaking going down these damn things because I'm scared I'm going to fall on my ass and start rolling down.
Gotta poke your feet there, buddy.
Guys! Oh, babe, move your head. Feels super soft, the ground. All dirt.
Hold on, before we go over there. That's not gonna do nothing.
Oh, scary. This is scary.
I just want to scare the animals if there is.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. That's how salt water. Come on, babe.
Look at that, y'all. This is what we came for.
The actual waterfall.
Careful, babe. Damn.
That was weird for some reason. Those smell like actual like water.
That's salt water. Why is that foaming like that?
Soap?
Soap?
Oh yeah, that cannot be fucking. How do you say it? Salt? Salt water doesn't look like that.
That's nice. I'm kind of scared. Heck yeah, I'm scared of snakes, y'all. I don't know about y'all, but shit, I'm scared of snakes. That's nice though.
You think this is the main one?
Nah, I don't remember seeing this happen. Oh, they're bubbles. They're flying everywhere.
I'm telling you.
Maybe there's alligators in here. That's so crazy. Look at that water going, that current though. Man, that current's fast. We're gonna take a little TikTok real quick. Alright, we're gonna go check out the other waterfall. Look what we had to come down to just to see that waterfall over there. It was nice though. What do you think?
I like it.
I liked it.
I actually loved it because we got some.
Never seen a waterfall like that.
I know.
I only seen a waterfall like that in San Antonio, really.
Not here in the valley.
Yeah. But we're gonna go check out the other waterfall. Look at this steep hill that we gotta climb up.
I'm like, that thing is gonna tell me that I can't.
Look at this. We're gonna go down that street, go check out the waterfall. Damn, that thing's deep in. There's a hole in the ground.
Was that even there?
I don't remember. We're gonna keep on checking. We're gonna keep on going to go look at the next waterfall, the third one. We're gonna go a little more down to see if we see the next waterfall. Damn, that hole is
That thing is freaking breaking apart. It's breaking apart.
Oh my goodness. Lord have mercy. It's breaking apart. There's a tree down there growing. For real.
That probably leads to down there, big
Right?
trail.
Looks like it. But we're not going down there because that's steep. That's steep in
We
there.
literally have to freaking jump off.
And jump right back on. I ain't with the jumping right now. Oh my goodness. At least we saw one good waterfall with one good view.
Yeah.
My hopes are already dropping because all this grass. More probably not gonna be able to see the third waterfall because all these trees are in the way. Oh! Phone fell, guys. We'll get back to y'all when we find the next one. This is where the other waterfall's at. This car is the car that pulled up. They were already here. I saw some people walking down the field that way, so I'm thinking that's them. They just want to walk around, I guess, and look around like us. Explore. Oh, look, there's the waterfall. Oh no, they're down there. They're fishing. Come on, let's go down here. We're not gonna go that way to them. We won't go that way to them. We'll just stay right here. We really, really want to see this waterfall. You good, bruh? Are you stepping back there? Stepping and stomping. Trying to catch your balance or what? Exposing her, my bad. Yeah, they're fishing down there. This one looks like the same thing. A lot of foam. Damn. It's nice out here. Look at that. Nice. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Not bad, I mean, looks nice. Look at that. No, I kind of don't want to go down there. Right here is fine. I don't want to get ran up on an alligator. But yeah, this is it. Let me see. Look this way. Look this way, babe. This is nice. I didn't think we're gonna see waterfalls because of all these trees, man. But good thing people want to fish out here because I guess there's pretty good fish. Yeah, people make their trails. I would go down there, but I don't want to get kind of stuck. I ain't going down there. I'm good right here. But yeah, leave it in the comments what y'all think about this waterfall. 1 out of 10. If y'all can't go to San Antonio waterfalls, like, I mean, Six Flags, this is it. This is like a little knockoff, but I mean, it would do it. I like it. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, alright, y'all. That was it for today. I hope y'all enjoyed the little vlog with me and my girl going to the waterfall in Mercedes.
We found all three of them. We got to see all three of them.
Yep, we got to see all three of them.
Now
Surprise.
watch the struggle come up over here.
Dang, that shit was hard for me to come up as well.
Oh my goodness.
But we'll see y'all on the next video. If y'all enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up and leave in the comments if y'all want more videos like this with us.
Adventure.
Yeah, adventure. We got more ideas coming up, but we need to know if you guys are interested in them.
Yes.
But we'll see y'all on the next one. Peace out.
Bye, guys.